see, Sergeant Mokhane's evidence was that he remained at Alberton police station
uSergeant Mohanini uthi wasala eAlbertine.
Akasalanga Albertine.
No, he did not remain in Albertine.
and it was never put to him that he accompanied you to the pointings out.
Akuzange futhi ke kuvezwe leli phuzu lokuthi kuyena uMohani mayinikezela ngomfakazi bakhe ukuthi kena cha awuzange usale ke wena eAlbertine wahamba nabo makuyokwenziwa lenkomba nkomba.
Kwi trial in a trial mina ngakuveza lokho uthi wayekhona.
I stated that during the trial, within a trial.
Yes, but it was never put to him when he testified so that he could comment on those allegations.
Manje ke yakuzange kubekwe kuyena njengoba ke ebenikezela ke ubufakazi la phakaphambi kwenkundla ukuthi ke mhlambe abe nakhona akushoyo mayelana nokuthi wayeniphelezela noma kazange niphekezela.
Mina ngakubeka kwi trial in a trial ukuthi uMhane wayekhona. Umshushisi naye uMhane masela iboxini akaze zembuze ngokuthi phelekezela kwakhe siya kuyi pointing out.
During the trial, within a trial, I've made mention of that aspect that he was present, and even with the prosecution on that day, the prosecutor did not ask whether Mokhane was there or not, whether Mokhane accompanied us or not.
No, I've just put his evidence to you that he said he remained at the Alberton police station.
Mokhane ubufakazi bakhe lobumshushisi abushoyo ukuthi yena uthe wasala eAlbertine.
Akasalanga eAlbertine saphinde sabuyela naye emuva futhi manje sahamba naye.
He did not remain in Albertine. We went with him and then we went back with him.
Ukuthi angazi lamaphoyisa uthi mina kungane efike enze into mase enze into bese egcineni bese yayiphika futhi.
I do not even know what is the cause of police officers to do something and then come back later deny it.
Now, Mr. Sibia, your evidence is that the Ekurhuleni Metro Police, the SWAT police, did not escort you to the pointings out. They remained at Alberton police station. Is that correct?
Ube ubufakazi bakho ke wena ukuthi ke lamaphoyisa wase Ekurhuleni lawo siwabiza ukuthi ke iSWAT abazange bahambe noma baniphelezele ke ukuthi kuyokwenziwa ukukhonjwa ke indawo zesehlakalo ubasa la eAlbertine.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. I just wish to draw your attention to the cross-examination by Advocate Nshololo to Lieutenant Colonel Hadebe during the proceedings of 25 October 2023 at page 32 from line 1, Advocate Nshololo. But the problem here, this person, the accused alleges as per the instruction by his counsel that he was assaulted by the police, including this Metro Police, and the same Metro Police are in the vicinity wherein the pointing out is conducted.
Lapho ke umshoma Mshololo wayesho ke ebuza ke uHadebe ke imibuzo noma wayevivinya ke ubufakazi baka Hadebe uthi kumhla ubufakazi bakhona benzeke noma kuvezwe lapha kwenkundla mhla ka 25 kuOctober unyaka waka 2023 ku page number 32 ku line 1 uthi ke lapho ke uveza iphuzu lokuthi ke umangalelwa usho ukuthi ke washaywa amaphoyisa khona lapho endaweni lapho bekuyokwenza ukukhonjwa khona indawo zesehlakalo. I'm listening.
We'll just quote the whole passage, then you can comment. Then at paragraph 10, Advocate Nshololo. And after there was an objection by the state, then she rephrases, she says, may I just rephrase, my lord, by TRT police officers. In other words, with the point I'm trying to say to you, the accused had been assaulted by the police, whether it be SAPS, TRT, Metro Police, and those police, they are police also in the vicinity wherein he's conducting the pointings out.
Usike wathi ke uzolungisa ngendlela ke wayebuze ngayo ke umbuzo uNkosazana Mshololo ku paragraph number 10 uyachaza ukuthi ke noma ngaba ama TRT noma ngabe aba Metro Police noma ke amaphoyisa amaphoyisa kodwa ke ukusala kwakuamaphoyisa amshaya umangalelwa lapho ke endaweni yesihlakalo noma ke lapho kwakwenziwa khona inkomba.
Then at
Lalela.
line 21, Advocate Nshololo, that the presence of those police officers induced fear to the accused at that time when we were conducting the pointings out.
Kanti ke futhi ke lapho ukuba khona kwalawo maphoyisa afaka ke ukwesaba kuyena ke umangalelwa uma kwenziwa ke noma makukhonjwa ke lezo zehlakalo lezo makukhonjwa lezo indawo lezo.
Lalela.
I'm listening.
You see, here the proposition was that the Metro Police officers that you say remained at Alberton Police Station. The proposition here is that it's the same Metro Police who were in the vicinity wherein the pointing out was conducted.
Udaba ke ngizama ukuliveza lana.
The state is trying to put into the record what the state deemed to be what could have been the proposition. Ms. Mushololo says it doesn't matter, and that is what the state says. Let us read the record in its entirety, or the propositions in their entirety. Ms. Mushololo says it doesn't matter whether those police were the Metro Police, whether they the TRT police, or whether they were the SAPS police. But the bone of contention is that the accused is alleging that he was assaulted by the police, who some of them formed part of or accompanied him to the pointing out. It is a one-sided understanding of issues when the passage is quoted only to suit what the states intend to convey to Mr. Sibia. Because it is the very same state that actually objected to the first question that was put by Ms. Mshololo, and state having objected, she then rephrased the question, the manner in which it is now being captured in the record, my lord. It is therefore unfair to put to this witness that Ms. Mshololo said it as a matter of fact that the Metro Police were also at the scene. Thank you, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Baloyi.
The record is very clear, my lord. Even after the objection, the proposition is made that whether it be SAPS, TRT, Metro Police, that those police, they are police who were in the vicinity wherein he was conducting the pointings out. But his evidence is specifically that the Metro Police were not part of the police that escorted him during the pointings out.
So when you say it doesn't matter,
Yes.
they aggregate even persons who were not there. Is that your contentions?
Well, indeed, my lord. This passage that we've quoted makes it clear that whether it be SAPS, TRT, or Metro Police, the fact of the matter is that the police were in the vicinity wherein the pointings out were conducted, and that runs counter to this witness evidence that
Okay.
the Metro Police were not there. Do you have any comment?
Ungathanda ke ukuphawula kuloko kusho umshushisi ukuthi ke unkosazana Mshololo wayethi ke yena akunendaba noma kukhethikisekanga ukuthi ke kwakuyihlobo lamaphoyisa TRT amametro noma ke amaphoyisa lawo ajwayelekile, kodwa ke amaphoyisa wayekhona lapho ke kwenzakale khona noma kwenziwa khona noma kuyokhonjwa khona. Kanti ke akufani nalokho wena okushoyo ukuthi ke amaphoyisa lawo asala noma ke amametro asala eAlbertine. Khona ngathanda ukuphawula kuloko.
Uma Mshololo kufika uHadebe uthi uHadebe yena abantu babekhona lapha kwakungama metro ababesiphelekezele maye eyongikhombisa la eyongikhombisa khona.
When Ms. Mshololo was questioning Hadebe, said that the people who, and Hadebe said, the people who had accompanied us there to do the pointing out was the Metro Police.
Mina ngithi abantu babekhona lapha ya la esasamba nabo no Hadebe eyongikhombisa la ethi ngikhombe khona ngithi mina amaloko ama TRT.
And what I'm saying is that the people who had accompanied us for Hadebe to go and instruct me where to point out where the TRTs.
And uHadebe mabemtshela ukuthi ama TRT uyaphika yena. Uthi yena ama metro uma Mshololo mayithi yena noma ngabe iluphi uhlobo lwamaphoyisa ke olwalukhona kulolo lishuwo kuwe Hadebe nalo lishuwo usibili. So kodwa kwakukhona amaphoyisa lapha ya enani khona.
Hadebe then denied that, and this is where Ms. Mshololo comes in, wherein she said that whether it was Metro Police, whether it was the TRTs, but there were police officers who were present, accompanied you to do the pointing out.
Noma ngicabanga ukuthi iyo le ndlela uma Mshololo ayiqonda ukubeka ngayo ngoba namanje mina ngiyasho ukuthi ama traffic cop angithatha ePitori sanawo eFosorus lafika ngishaya khona asuka eFosorus saya eAlbertine mayisifike eAlbertine mase khanjwa ama traffic cop asala kwakhona ama TRT esaya nawo lapha ya uHadebe ayetha ngikhombe khona.
I did make mention of the fact that leaving Pretoria, I was accompanied by traffic cops to Fosorus wherein I was assaulted, and then the traffic officers were left there at Albertine, and then we were accompanied by the TRT.
The proposition, my lord, should be completed that what the proposition that was suggested by myself said whether it was the presence of the traffic or any other police, but it induced fear to the witness at that point in time.
Yes.
My lord, that's a matter. We will leave it at that, my lord. I think we did quote the entire passage. We quoted up to the portion that Advocate Mshololo is referring to, line 21, that the presence of those police officers induced fear to the accused at the time when he was conducting the pointing out. We did quote that portion. Mr. Sibia, if we can then go back to the topic that we're busy with on Friday.
Welcome to the fire where the stakes ignite, where the questions burn hotter than the night. No escape once you're locked in the heat. This is your trial on the hot seat. Welcome to the fire where the stakes ignite, where the questions burn hotter than the night.